This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps. Imagine you have a restaurant and in restaurant chefs will be there, they will be working in the kitchen and these are the people who create and cook the dishes. And in the world of software, these chefs are like developers who write and create the code for software applications. In restaurant, waitress and waitress will be there. These are the people who take food from the kitchen and serve the food to the customers, making sure everything runs smoothly. In software, this role is similar to operation teams who manage and deploy the software and ensuring the software run properly on servers and is accessible to the users. Now we will see what are the problems we will face without DevOps. In many restaurants, there can be problems if chef and serving staff don't communicate well. For example, the chef might cook something and the waiters aren't prepared to serve. The waiters might not know when the food will be ready. Like that, in software, if developers and operation team don't communicate well, then it can lead to the software does not work well on the servers, delay in deploying new features or fixing problems. Now we will see how DevOps helps. DevOps is like having a team where chefs and waiters work closely together from the beginning. The first point is collaborate and communicate. Chefs know what waiters need and waiters understand what the chefs are doing. The second point is share responsibilities. Everyone work together to ensure that food is prepared and served efficiently and effectively. Next we will see what is DevOps in software. The first point is developers and operations work together. They collaborate throughout the entire process of creating, testing and deploying the software. The second point is automation. Using tools to automate repetitive tasks like testing and deployment, ensuring that everything works smoothly and quickly. Third point is continuous improvement. Regularly updating the software with new features and improvements without disrupting the service. Now we will see what are the benefits of DevOps. The first point is faster delivery. New features and fixes can be delivered to users more quickly. Second point is better quality. Fewer errors and better performance because of continuous testing and monitoring. Third point is more reliable. Systems are more stable and issues are resolved faster. Fourth point is happier teams. Developers and operation teams work better together, reducing stress and misunderstandings. In simple terms, DevOps is a way of making sure that the people who create the software and the people who run it work together seamlessly, like a well coordinated restaurant team, to serve the best possible dish to the customers. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.